my YouTube channel. This is Winter and today we are embarking on Winter Tries Friday. WTF! So on today's episode we have a WTF product, which is the Chantecaille Future Skin Cushion. So this cushion is $183 and it's a whopping price tag for a BB cushion. So I'm very excited to see if this is worth your money. So first up, what you get in the box is a cushion compact like this. Inside the compact, it has already a cushion foundation inside. So the box also comes with a refill, so for $183 you actually get two foundation, which is approximately $90+ for one. And yeah, please don't fault my math. That's the reason why I didn't go to university. So Chantecaille itself is already a luxury tier, so that's why I find that the price itself for this cushion is alright. First up, packaging wise, I find the entire packaging really well done. It feels very like hefty for its price, but it's not too heavy as well. The design has the signature Chantecaille elephant, which is super cute, and overall I feel like the entire thing has a luxurious touch on it. So packaging wise, I will give it a 10. And now we are going to try out the formula. So the shade that I have with me is Aura. I'm just going to give this cushion a light tap to see how much product that comes off. So this is the amount of product that came off the cushion. So this is my bare skin right now, and I'm going to apply a light cover on one side of my face so you guys can see the coverage as well as the finish. So this is actually a skincare cushion that has anti-aging properties infused in it, and it's meant to feel as light as air. And on the first pat, it really doesn't feel like anything. It actually feels very cooling to the touch, and this shade is not my shade, it's a lot lighter, but I got it in PRS, so I guess that's why they didn't really get my shade correctly, but it's alright, we can make this work. Overall, I actually quite like the application because it blends quite nicely onto my skin. Coverage wise, I find that it's a very light coverage. It doesn't feel heavy at all, and it doesn't cover my blemishes as much. As you can see, I have a lot of scarring on the sides of my face, and it's not exactly covering it up. It's just giving my skin a very nice healthy glow. And something interesting about the Chantecaille Future Skin Cushion is that it is actually water-based, so it's very suitable for oily skin people. You don't have to worry about the foundation clogging up your pores and giving you any breakout. And yeah, it actually feels really nice on the skin, by the way. And I want to see if I can build up the coverage, so I'm getting a bit more product and going over the same area here. This cushion feels so good, guys. Like, it's literally cooling to the touch. It feels so light on my skin. I feel like I'm not exactly putting anything on. It just feels like skincare on my skin. And yeah, I really enjoy like the experience of applying it on. See, this is my normal skin, and this is the skin with the Future Skin Cushion. So the coverage of the cushion is not very strong. It's not able to cover my discoloration. However, it managed to brighten up my skin tone. It evened out my skin tone. It feels like nothing on my skin. And yeah, overall this is how it looks. I'm going to finish up the other side and I'll show you guys the finished look. So I've just finished applying the Future Skin Cushion all over my face, and this is the finish of the cushion. It has a very beautiful natural dewy finish, and I really love it. I don't want to set it with powder because it kind of makes my skin look a lot healthier, and I really love the effect. However, the only part that I'm not so satisfied about is the coverage, because I have acne prone skin and my blemishes kind of leave scars. However, with this cushion, the coverage is not as strong as what I want to be. But I can easily cover it with concealer. It's just kind of like a bummer feeling, because if you're paying $183, you expect the foundation to be able to cover simple things like zits. So yeah, I'm just going to continue wearing this throughout the entire day while I do my work, and I'll check in later in the day to see how well it holds up. So it has been about 5 hours since I had the Future Skin Cushion on my skin, and this is how it has held up throughout the day. My skin is a little bit shiny at the moment. That's because I have oily skin. Overall, I really love how well it stayed on my skin, because even though I'm a little bit greasy, as I take a tissue and I blot like it off, like it's perfect. And the best thing about it is there's no transfers. In fact, the only transfer on my tissue is my eyebrows. So this transfer test really shows that it's a very high quality product, because usually when you have foundation on and you pat your face with a tissue, it naturally just transfers onto the tissue. But this has almost close to nothing. So I'm zooming you guys in to show you guys how it has held up on my skin. I feel like on my clearer areas of my face, like around this area, it's very beautiful. It didn't sink into any fine lines, and it really still has this blurring, flawless, healthy skin effect on my face. However, on this area where I have acne scars, it's starting to fade away a little bit. So if you guys have any acne issues or you are feeling insecure about your scars, this might not be a product for you. So if you're looking for something to accentuate your skin for a more flawless, put together look, you can definitely check this out. It can give you a very beautiful, healthy finish like this. And I really love the anti-pollution and the anti-aging ingredients in this product. So it's really a skincare cum foundation. It's something that's unique to Chantecaille. Overall, I would rate these an 8. I would -1 for the coverage because of my skin problems, and 1 because it didn't really held up as well onto my textured area, but on the other areas it's still flawless. So yeah. So thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick Winter Tries Friday WTF episode. It's the first episode, so I'll be giving away a few products here, and yeah, you guys can join my giveaway by commenting in the comments box, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!